हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू BHU पाठशाला। मेरा नाम है आकृति और मैं आज आप सबके साथ 2015 का इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज का जो सेक्शन है उसे डिस्कस करने आई हूँ। BA आर्ट्स प्लस सोशल साइंस का जो कॉमन पेपर होगा आपका, उसके लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदेमंद है। सो लेट्स बिगिन। सेक्शन 2 लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश फॉर कैंडिडेट्स ऑप्टिंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। नोट: 4 alternatives are given as possible answers to each question. Give the correct choice as an answer. Direction: question number 121 to 124. Select the word nearest in meaning to the given word. 121. Mentor, bodyguard, boss, follower, vice counselor. So the answer is vice counselor. 4th. 122. Pruning, activating, trimming, punishing, encouraging. So pruning means trimming. 123. Emergence, onslaught, development, renaissance, rise. Emergence means rise. 124. Transcend, revive, encompass, surpass, widen. So the answer is surpass. Now direction for 125 to 128. Choose the word which is most opposite in meaning of the word given in bold. So we have to take the opposite ones. 125. Subvert, strengthen, create, conquer, escalate. So the answer is strengthen. Let's move. 126. Considerable, uncountable, negligible, irresolute, inconsiderate. So the answer is negligible. Considerable का उल्टा होता है negligible. Now 127 is attachments, harmony, mistrust, loyalty, hatred. So 127 का आंसर है hatred. 128. Trivial, difficult, easy, important, small. The answer is easy. Now directions for 129 to 132. Select the correct meaning of the given idiomatic expressions. 129. To pick holes, to find some reason to quarrel, to destroy something, to criticize someone, to cut some part of an item. The answer is to criticize someone. To pick holes means to criticize someone. Now 130. To keep one's temper, to become angry, to be in good mood, to preserve one's energy, to be aloof from. The answer is to be in good mood. 131. To smell a rat, to see signs of plague epidemic, to get bad smell of a dead rat, to suspect foul dealing, to feel uneasy. The answer is to suspect foul dealing. पहला दूसरा मत टिक करिएगा, वो बस आपको डाइवर्ट करने के लिए। 132. To cry wolf, to listen eagerly, to give false alarm, to turn pale, to keep off starvation. So इसका आंसर होगा to give false alarm. To cry wolf means to give false alarm. Now direction. Question number 133 to 136. Select the right word to fill in the blanks in the given sentences. 133. Dash very hungry, he bought a sandwich. Feel, he felt, feeling, they felt. So the answer will be feeling. Feeling very hungry, he bought a sandwich. 132. When I met Claire yesterday, it was the first time I dash her since Christmas. Saw, have seen, had seen, have been seeing. So the answer is had seen. 135. Many dash decisions were taken at the meeting. Historical, historic, hectic, histrionic. The answer is historic. 136. The student dashed that book from the library to study at home. The answer will be borrowed. The student borrowed that book from the library to study at home. Now direction. Question number 137 to 140. Select the correct form of the verb to complete the following sentences. 137. As soon as I reached the station, the train dash has already left, has left already, had already left, left already. So the answer is had already left. 138. You need not dash about us. To worry, worried, worry, had worry. Worry. You need not worry about us. 139. I dashed the news an hour ago. Have heard, was hearing, have been hearing, heard. So the answer is heard. I heard the news an hour ago. 140. Unless he dashed this office, I will not say anything. Leaves, left, did not leave, had left. So unless he leaves this office, I will not say anything. So the correct answer is leaves. Direction for question 141 to 144. Choose the correct preposition for each blank. 141. The patient died dash cancer. From, with, for, of. So the correct answer is of. The patient died of cancer. 142. He wrote the letter dash a fountain pen. By, with, from, in. The answer is with. 143. She comes dash a noble family. From, of, by, over. So the answer is of. She comes of a noble family. Now 144. May I request dash you again to consider my case favorably. To, of, unto, no preposition required. So the answer is no preposition required. May I request you again to correct my case favorably is already right. Now direction, question number 145 and 146. Choose the correct alternative for each blank. 145. The younger sister is at dash school now. A, an, the, no article. So the answer is a. 146. Shyamlal is dash MP from our constituency. A, an, the, no article. The answer is an. Now direction for question 147 and 148. Select the word which has been wrongly spelled. 147. Mediocre, luxurious, oblique and suspicious. So the spelling of mediocre is wrong. 148. Library, question, technique, vacuum. The spelling of library is wrong. Let's proceed. Direction for question 149 and 150. Select the part of speech of the underlined word in the given sentences. 149. His manners please me. Adjective. So the underlined word is his, and his is definitely a pronoun. Adjective, pronoun, determiner, conjunctions are the options given, and the correct answer is pronoun. 150. Please water the plants in the morning. Water is underlined. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb. So water is verb in this case. So thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed. All the best for your exam. Thank you.